Hey everyone, it's Olivia Clegg back here with you guys with a how-to. This week is a Mother's Day edition, so without further ado, let's get on into this week's video. We have for you an easy Dollar Tree flower basket just in time for Mother's Day on this Sunday. You're going to need about 30 flowers. This is about 4 bunches of flowers. I chose yellow roses. You can choose whatever. Then you'll need some small round candy such as Hershey Kisses, Reese's, etc. Some styrofoam as your base. You can choose a square. I chose a circle. You'll need a basket to hold all of your flowers in, hot glue, and scissors. First step, cutting your flowers. Make sure to cut the stems off so you can pick the flowers off individually, and don't forget the tags. Second step, you're going to start placing your flowers in your bucket. So first, put your styrofoam inside your base. I glued mine at the bottom. You don't have to. Some work just naturally sturdy. And then start just sticking in your flowers into the styrofoam. There doesn't have to be a perfect order. You do what fits you. Next step, you're going to start sticking your candy in your flowers once you have your placement complete. I do this by putting a little dab of hot glue at the bottom of my candy and then waiting for it to get a little tacky, sticking it in the middle of the flower, and there you have candy-centered flowers. Final step, look gorgeous as a centerpiece. Here we have the final basket. This is going to be used for setting the table for a Mother's Day breakfast, but you can use it for any other gift, occasion, centerpiece, etc. So thanks to you guys for watching and have a good rest of your Mother's Day.